Welcome back to Home Decor Hub. Welcome to our channel where we showcase the latest trends and design in home renovation and decorations. Today we will discussing the modern sliding window design that is perfect for stylish and functional homes. Sliding windows have become increasingly popular in recent years due to their versatility and ease of use. In this video we will take a closer look at some of the most innovative and stylish sliding windows design that can enhance the look and feel of your home. Benefits of sliding windows. Before we dive into the latest window design, let's discuss some of the benefits of using sliding windows. Sliding windows are easy to operate, require minimal maintenance, and can be customized to fit any size or shape of the opening. They provide ample natural light and ventilation, making your living space brighter and more comfortable. Sliding windows also offer excellent security features, making them a popular choice for modern homes. Modern sliding window design ideas. Now let's take a closer look at some of the latest modern sliding window design ideas that can transform your home. From sleek and minimalist design to bold and statement making option, there is a sliding window design for every taste and preference. We will show you some of the most innovative design including floor to ceiling sliding windows, multi-panel sliding windows and sliding windows with built-in blinds. Important points to consider when choosing the right sliding window design for your home. There are some important points to consider. Firstly, you need to decide on the size and shape of the window opening. Sliding window can be customized to fit any size and shape, but you can need to make sure then it's complement that overall design of your home. Secondly, consider the type of glass you want to use. Different types of glass can affect the energy efficiency, noise reduction, and privacy of window. Lastly, consider the color and finishes of frames, as this can impact the overall look and feel of your home. Thanks for watching this video till the end.